Everybody expected a handout, but never gave a fucking hand.
It's my little brother too, man. Risco Productions. Big up to you too, man. You know, we spit that real shit. And I'ma go off the top of the head with it. You know me.
When you're up, everybody wanna fuck with you. When you're down, ain't one person around. And when you got it, everybody expected a handout, but never gave a fucking handout. When you're up, everybody wanna fuck with you. When you're down, ain't one person around. And when you got it, everybody expected a handout, but never gave a fucking handout.
I sit back and think of all the shit that I've been through, all the phony fake friends and some people I'm kin to, and hoes gonna be hoes. I don't know what's the purpose, but I love doing me. Having a bitch ain't worth it, and when I got it, yeah, I do for all those around me. But when a nigga leaves, that's when you would try to down me. You try to clown me, but homie, don't play that. When asked what you said, what you say, I didn't say that. So niggas say that bullshit, nonsense. I got money and murder all on my conscience. Niggas hating on me, get off my Johnson. You don't see them, but these missiles will be launching at your head, nigga. Fuck around, be dead, nigga. Yeah, it's BT, bitch, I heard what I said, nigga. I'm going back to the basics, just to tell these pussy ass niggas quit hating.
When you're up,
okay,
everybody wanna fuck with you. When you're down,
ain't one nigga around. And when you got it, everybody expects a handout, but never gave a fucking handout. Never gave me shit.
Everybody wanna fuck with you when you're down.
It's cool, man.
Ain't one person around. And when you
show
got
me
it,
how to get it on my own,
expect a handout,
but never gave a fucking handout.